Hello, welcome to all YouTube viewers. My name is Chandan Shen. Today I have come a new video. This video is related how can we fetch the tally data directly Power BI. We all know that the Power BI one of the best Microsoft business intelligence tools. Okay, so first I want to see you the my final output screen in Power BI. This dashboard has been created from the tally data. Okay, you you can see there are four table or tally data. Now first I go to tally. There are open two tally company. The same company, one is situated at Bengal, another is situated at Tamil Nadu. So I need the total company sales amount and sales quantity. Okay, the company mainly sold out the two type of products. One is the two-wheeler and one is the three-wheeler. That is the three-wheeler sales in Bengal and with quantity, two-wheeler sales in Bengal with quantity, and two-wheeler sales in Tamil Nadu with quantity. Okay, so first I don't want discuss with briefly about the Power BI. Okay, just overall I am showing this dashboard. Now there is the slicer and there is a month filter. Okay, so you can unselect the all month, just 1 month. I select the August month, and regarding this August month sales dashboard already updated. If I click the September, then as per sales amount and sales quantity as per September is displayed. Okay, so first and then I selected all the month from April to November. Just you can see here the total sale amount is 9 crore 13 lakhs 44,656 and total number of quantity sold 1,635. Okay, now I go to tally and want to create a sales voucher, and this sales voucher automatically updated in our Power BI dashboard. Okay, just go to sales voucher. Sales account scooter, item name automatically. Okay, number of two quantity. Okay, go to the dashboard Power BI. I make the sales in inventory in two-wheeler sales in West Bengal Bengal. So number of quantity, I am making a sales invoice 2 number and amount is 1,20,000. So 20,902. So increase the total sale value 1,20,902 and total sale quantity increase 1,637 37 will be 37. And two-wheeler sales in West Bengal automatically sales amount will be increased 1,20,902 and sale quantity will be 505. Okay, so I just make the entry. Now I have to update it the table data table. Okay, refresh the data. You can see the waiting for DSN Tally ODBC 64_900. 900 is the work port and this is the Tally ODBC driver. Okay, the fetch the data or update the refresh the data directly from Tally. Okay, now just you can say I update the voucher WB. So voucher WB table is the increase your sale amount. Okay, now I update the sales WB, then the quantity will be automatically updated. Now you can see waiting for Tally ODBC data update. Now okay, it is fine that your quantity sale quantity will be increased 2 numbers and amount will be increased 1,20,902. So you can see the all the updated is completed. So now I think you all have a question, how can I fetch this Tally data from Power BI? Okay, we all know the in the Power BI the get data. Okay, more option here is the more option, get data more option. I go to other ODBC. Okay, ODBC data. Now you can see ODBC. Okay, and this ODBC I just click here Tally ODBC 900 and click this the OK. This is the automatically connected the our ODBC. You can see the ODBC, Tally ODBC, there is the company name, that both are company name, and there is the schema name also, that schema name, and then you can see the all the table of the Tally data will automatically fetched here or pull out here. Okay, so I need the two table. One is the voucher and another is the sales. Okay, I just rename this voucher table here in the Power BI. That is the voucher WB, voucher TN, and voucher sales WB and sales TN. Okay, if you like my this video, you can like it and subscribe my channel, so next time will be able to new video with new tally regarding the tally data in Power with Power BI. Okay, you all can see there are so many video in the how there the Power BI get data from the SQL database, but they use the online utility, and it is the too much time consume. Okay, okay, thank you.